Hello, Jeff Hale here with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on our Epilog Profusion 120 48-inch laser. This laser will do a few different things. It will do engraving on rigid materials. It will do what's called vectoring or cutting through rigid materials. No metal, but everything from paper to foam to plastic to wood. It will cut through right about 1/2 inch thick, so pretty powerful laser. Right now we are in vectoring or rigid mode, and what we want to do is we want to add our fourth axis today, which is our rotor. So the very first thing we're going to do with the machine on, we're going to come over here to the bed height, and we're just going to take that bed height all the way down to about 7 inches or so.
And that was that button there?
That's correct. This button right here is ingrained right now. And I'm just pulling down on the joystick, and you can see the bed is lowering. We're at 5 inches now. I want to take it all the way down to about 7 inches. There we go. That's good. Go ahead and lift up our lid. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to turn the laser back off with the key. Now the power's off. This is where we keep our fourth axis, right here. And we want to make sure that the motor side of it is facing left. We're going to take this and set it right against the rulers in that back left corner. And then we'll take our cable here and plug it into this port. And the reason why we want to turn the machine off when we do this is because when the laser boots itself back up, it's going to read that the fourth axis is in there and do the settings accordingly. So as you can see right now, the laser head is in that back left corner, which is considered the home or the park position. As we fire this back up, you'll see what's going to happen is it'll go through its reboot. And when it's set up ready to go, the laser will actually be standing right here above what's considered the home position for doing rotary, when we're engraving cups and things like that. So what we're going to be engraving today is just going to be some of these little 22-ounce tumblers. There is no start or stop. There's no other marks on here, so we don't really have to make a center line mark. Normally, if this was a screw-on lid, something like this, where we would want that image to be dead center on here, just so it's world class. Normally we would wind up tightening that lid as much as possible and then putting a little mark with a China marker on it so we know where the center is. So as she's warming up, you'll see see how I did a slight bed adjustment there? That's why we want to take it all the way down to begin with, so we don't accidentally ram that head into the fourth axis. So it's going to do complete, it's just called a homing, and now you'll see what'll happen is, see how it comes forward and on top. Now it's set up to go to do rotary engraving. Thank you.